It's not a very nice day outside today, but that's okay, because today we're going underground. I'm generally excited about every adventure that I go on, but I'm really excited about today's. In fact, I've been wanting to go visit this place since I found out you could go visit it more than a year and a half ago. Today we're going to the abandoned City Hall subway station. Now, the only way you can legally go and see it is on a tour through the New York Transit Museum. And to do that, you gotta be a member and you gotta get tickets. And those tickets go like concert tickets. So I've already missed a couple opportunities because I logged in late. But a few months ago, I logged in right when they went on sale and I got one. And today's the day. So let's head downtown to City Hall Park and meet the tour group. Let's go. We're out of the subway here at City Hall Park. Brooklyn Bridge is right over there. So this is a strange experience for me because normally I just float around and explore on my own timeline. But today I actually have to meet a tour group at a specific time. And I'm early because I didn't want to be late. There's City Hall. We've been there before. We went there in the Brooklyn Bridge episode. Check that one out if you haven't seen it. So I'm in the park. I'm not sure what's happening here, but right next to them, just back there beyond the barricade, is apparently where one of the skylights is for the station that we're about to go into. It's kind of buried back in that grove of trees. Woolworth building's back over there. That's a beauty. It's kind of raining, which is kind of a bummer, but we just have a few more minutes to wait. Checked in with the group. They've given me an audio thing so I can hear what they're saying. Now we wait. Just standing here waiting. In the City Hall courtyard, there's a flagpole and it's got one of the wind direction things on it. And it says Liberty. So I guess it tells you which way the winds of liberty are blowing. Right now they're blowing that way. Look at this. This is incredible. I can't believe I'm here. place is incredible. I mean, look at this. It's incredibly loud too. The 6 trains turn around in this loop still, so they come by every 3 or 4 minutes. Very loud. That's the tricky way you can get to see the station. If you stay on the 6 at the Brooklyn Bridge station, you can do the loop and see the station. It's only on the tour that you actually get off and visit it though. You can see the skylights that you can actually see up in the park still. Just like that, it was time to go. So we ended the tour here under the Municipal building, also known as the David Dinkins building. And the reason they stopped here is because this also has the Guastafino tile, which is what was down in the subway station. I couldn't really do much talking down there because it was so loud. That subway station was completed in 1904, and it was part of that first subway line of the New York City subway system, built by the IRT, the Interborough Rapid Transit Company. So it went from City Hall, where that station is, up to 145th Street, up the east side, cutting across at 42nd Street along the line, which is now the shuttle, and then continue up the west side to 145th Street, and that was the first line. So the platform, all that tile down there, Guastafino tile, done by Guastafino himself, and that station is actually where the term subway tile got its name. So that station was open from 1904 until it was closed in 1945. The reason they closed it is because, as you saw when you were down there, it's on a really tight curve, since that's the terminus and the turnaround. When they started expanding the car lengths and putting doors in the middle of the car, there's too much of a gap, and so people couldn't get off the train safely there. It's also not very far from the Brooklyn Bridge station where I got off earlier, and so they just decided it wasn't worth having both those stations open. And instead of trying to retrofit City Hall station, they just closed it. And now that's the only way you can actually go visit it, is on this tour from the New York Transit Museum. Like I said, you're not supposed to do it, but if you stay on the 6 after the last stop of Brooklyn Bridge, it turns around in that loop there, and you can see it as you pass by. As a history nerd, that was awesome. So worth it. Now, like I said, you got to be a member of the Transit Museum to get those tickets, and they go quickly when they're available. But if you ever have a chance, do it. All right, let's get back on the subway to head back uptown. I'm back up to the east side. That was amazing. The tour was really good. Lots of great historical information. It wasn't really a way for me to tell you about it, but look up that subway station. It's pretty cool. And again, if you ever have a chance to take that tour, do it. If you just found my channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out more than you know. And look for new episodes every Friday. I'll see you next time.